Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets basics, Android 8, 0 or newer, and a working front camera. Once done, enable developer options if required and grant camera, biometric, and storage permissions to the app. You should install a trusted face recognition app or SDK from Play Store or a vetted APK source. Make sure the app supports your device architecture. Next, open the app and follow the initial enrollment wizard. This sets up templates and configures the capture pipeline you'll use going forward. Once the app is ready, you'll train the recognition model by capturing varied samples. Position yourself in even lighting and follow prompts to record front, three-quarter, and slight tilt views. Collect 5 to 15 high-quality images to build a robust template. Then tweak matching thresholds to balance false, accept versus false reject rates, and enable liveness detection or anti-spoofing modules if available. Make sure the enrollment saves to secure storage or key store, so templates remain protected and persist across reboots. You finish by integrating the feature into daily use and thoroughly testing it. Try recognition in low light, bright light, with glasses or mask on, and at varied distances. Log any failure modes. If integration uses the Android Biometric API, ensure fallback and lockout policies are set. When things go wrong, clear the app cache, reinstall or update the app, recalibrate camera settings, or re-enroll the user template. Re-enrollment often fixes persistent false rejects. If you see spoof attempts, increase liveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.